Can I get a, oh yeah?
Can I have a kiss? Another one?
We gotta have a talk. Get on the bed. Thank you.
Using words only won't convince the smart cat, folks.
No, I wouldn't call going for a swim with the fishes nothing.
What's the problem? Yeah? Yeah?
A singer can never be out of sync with their guitarist.
Ellie, what do we say when it's time for breakfast? Yahoo!
Вставай, давай. Ты чё орёшь? Отвалил. Что я тебе сделала?
Were you sleeping this whole time? You were! You're just a good boy! Yes, you are! It's not dinner time yet. You still have like 30 minutes. Is that okay with you?
Don't you hop your big ass up out of there. Sit your big ass down. I don't give. You gonna be in this house? You gonna get your ass washed, clean, and get you like that. Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? You don't know? You don't know? No?
Did you miss me?
Mama? Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Mama. Oh.
What? 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 Where's your mom?
Laura, did you know that millions of people have seen you?
You gotta be careful.
Walter, what are you doing? Trying to take a bath? You can't take a bath, you're a cat.
Steve's ready for bedtime. Are you ready for bedtime? Come on. Come on in here, come on. Come on, bedtime. Bedtime.
Carry me or I'll climb you. Don't test me, human.
When your alarm clock is broken, so...
You wanna sing? If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really wanna show it, say meow.
Hello.
All what cat owners need after a long time being away from home.
Who's gonna clean your You? You think you are? You don't have hands. You don't have hands. You don't have hands. No, you don't.
Just so you know, a cat's passion for food will never disappear.
I'm right here. Right here. Did you go potty?
You hurt me. Leave me alone. No, you stop it. No, you stop it.
You alright? 하지 말라. Stop it. See you that night.
Lizzie. Bean. Beanie. Lizzie.
நான் சொல்றத நீ பதில் சொல்லு. நீ தேடு நீ என்ன? அப்புறம் ஏன் இப்ப கூப்பிடுற? நீ எதுக்கு கூப்பிடுற? ஊசி எதுக்கு போட்டாங்க?
Are you gonna be a good boy?
One more time.
I love you.
One more.
You're gonna be good. My good boy. Okay.
Say I love you.
I love you. Oh.
Why are you screaming? Honey, what's wrong? Usually I can tell. She's screaming.
I'm so sorry. I have to go. Oh, don't look at me like that. Ow. I cannot stay here. I cannot stay here. I have to go. I have.
No head kisses allowed today. Okay.
Well, how you want to do this? We gonna Don't cut me off. You always trying to get the last word. I noticed that about you. Yes, you do. You're doing it now. Okay, you think because you do it longer, that's gonna make me be quiet?
No. 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 No.
Why are you yelling at me? You just ate. Oh my gosh.
Hi. What are you doing? You look handsome. So cute. I love you. You say hi to everybody.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer. What are you looking at? What are you shopping for? You're gonna end up ordering.
Not everything is gonna be about you. You're just gonna have to get over it. so mad.
Go yell at your daddy.
I don't have anything fun to yell at my boy. I take that back.
Cooper knows that waking up early is a healthy lifestyle for this human.